Alright, we made adjustments to the mouth. Took a little bit more out in here so we get it to open and close properly. We got our head here. We took some of this out down in here. So the mouth will come, and I think it's going to open up enough. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comments section. I'll get back with you. Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to drill our hole here for our string, which is going to go here. And we want to be center, pretty much center on our stick. I'm using a 1/4 inch drill bit for this. It's about where I want it, so I'm going to bore this out a little bit so our string doesn't catch on it. Pretty much what we want right there. So thanks for watching.